Hello sushi lovers, namaste and warm welcome from Sushi Man Santosh. If you are planning to make sushi at your home, then you have to know about the different types of sushi sauce. So you can make your sushi different flavor with the rich textures. That's why today in this video, I'm gonna show you super quick and easy sushi sauce recipe. Firstly, I'm gonna make spicy mayo for sushi. Here I have 250 gram mayonnaise. It is normal mayonnaise. If you have Japanese mayonnaise, it will be better. That is the Asian spicy hot sauce named sriracha. I'll add more and less 50 gram. If you want more spicy, you can add as per your taste. After that, I'll add 2 little teaspoons of sesame oil. Also, you can add kimochi sauce, lemon juice and paprika powder, but here I am using just 3 ingredients. Then mix it very well. The consistency will be a very good. I want a little more spicy, so I am going to add a little bit more sriracha and mix it again. Finally, my spicy mayo is ready for sushi. You can keep it in fridge, then we can use till 2-3 days. Okay, here I am going to make sauce for the deep fried sushi roll. I'll add 300 ml sweet chili sauce and I'm using 100 gram local cream cheese. If you have, you can use Philadelphia as well. Then after you can blend it together, cream cheese and sweet chili sauce. Finally, our deep fried sushi roll sauce also ready. You can see in the video. And it is the teriyaki sauce. In this video, I am not making teriyaki sauce, but if you want, I am adding its recipe. You can make it in your home. For the teriyaki sauce, always equal quantity, like a 3-3-3 or 1-1-1. Like 1 kg sugar, 1 liter mirin, it's a Japanese rice wine, and 1 liter soya. That is the teriyaki sauce. I already talked about it. And it is the sweet chili sauce. This sauce also we can use tempura shrimp and deep fried sushi, and I'm gonna put in the small container. Finally, I have the 4 different kinds of sushi sauce. It is sweet chili, it is spicy mayo, which is made by myself, and it is teriyaki sauce. Final one is just made for the deep fried sushi roll. You already see in my video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video with new contents. Have a nice day.